Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to apply for a BMO mortgage or loan. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to apply for a BMO mortgage or loan, first what you need to do is decide the type of loan that you want. BMO offers various options from mortgages for buying or financing a home and personal loans for debit consolidation or home improvement, etc., and line of credit for flexible borrowing up to a set limit. Next is to prepare documents like proof of income, employment details, credit information, identification and property details. And once you have all the documents, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your application, and then be sure to be logged in with your BM credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, on your home screen under loans and mortgages, you'll find an option that says apply for a line of credit. Simply select that, and then all you gotta do is choose the product you want from mortgage, personal loan, line of credit, and then simply click on apply now. Now fill in the personal details, employment details and financial information, and upload the supporting documents as well. And then once done, simply review all the documents and the details that you have entered, and when all that's done, simply tap on submit on the bottom of the screen and submit your application. And once that's done, wait for a BMO representative to contact you. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.